Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on our GlowForge setup. So basically I have this shop here and I'm going to be turning this corner kind of into our project corner where we do our painting, our sanding, get a photo booth, we can do our pictures, cutting, gluing, all that kind of stuff we'll do in this corner here. I have to move all these filing cabinets. This ladder just kind of goes up to this loft here. Move this stuff out of the way, the barbecue pit, different things. And so this is going to be our project corner. And I do own a couple other businesses, so I do have various different types of things in this shop. But here's my office, and this is where we do all of the cutting for the GlowForge. So we just have our GlowForge set up, and we're actually cutting something right now. We're cutting these Christmas 2020 ornaments. Santa has a face mask on, and he is carrying a bunch of toilet paper in his sack, and I think I have one made already, and I can show you guys. Halfway made. This is kind of what it looks like. We do have some fully painted. We're going to offer painted, and we're going to offer unpainted. But I believe we bought this file off of Etsy, so that's not something we made ourselves. But anyway, back to our setup. So the GlowForge is sitting on this custom made table. It is basically just 2x4s. We used to use this in our house as a microwave countertop, but we redesigned our kitchen and we don't really need it anymore, so we brought it in here for the GlowForge. And I have space all the way around the GlowForge as it recommends, and plus I want to have space so I can turn the GlowForge on and off. Right now I just have the basic setup for the fan. I don't have the aftermarket fan, but I do plan on doing that later, and I'll make a video when I do that. And it vents outside here on the side of our air conditioning unit. And right next to it, we just kind of have a desk that I built for our paints and glue and different kind of little knick-knack things. Our masking tape, which I made a video on that, on how we mask our material. And as you see here for these ornaments, I have masking on these material. And so down here, this is kind of where we keep some of our stuff. Bottom row is our clear acrylic. This is 1/8 inch plywood, I believe. This is 1/4 inch. And we have different color acrylic here. We have pink and orange, and our lens wipes that we use to clean the GlowForge. And I'll be doing some videos on maintenance and GlowForge cleaning and different things like that in the future, so stay tuned for that. I think that's going to be about it, and if you guys have any questions, post them down below in the comments. Like and subscribe. Plenty more content will be coming your way, and let me see some of your setups. You know, maybe post a picture or email me a picture or something. I'd like to see what you guys have going on. All right, thanks for watching.